Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Zabbix Server 6.4 on Ubuntu 24.04 server. Ubuntu 24.04, this is the latest release from Ubuntu repo. This is my server information. Now I am checking server version and IP address using this command lsb_release option A. This is version checking Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and this is my IP address, and then your server update and upgrade using this command apt update and apt upgrade. Yes, I see update and upgrade done within 1 minute. Yes, successfully update and upgrade done. Now install CS certificate. CS certificate installation done. Now install PHP repository. Then running update command. Then apt update. Done. Now install PHP cheap package. This is for Zabbix required package. Yes, PHP package installation done. Now checking PHP is working fine. Now create and then save and exit, and then access this file. This PHP is working fine, 8.3. Now download Zabbix 6.4 repo from Zabbix official page, and then dpkg option I, extract this file, and then update this Zabbix repo, and then install Zabbix record all packages: Zabbix MySQL, Zabbix frontend, Zabbix Apache, Zabbix SQL script, Zabbix agent. Press Y for yes. Now install MySQL server. MySQL server installation running. MySQL server installation done. Now start MySQL service and enable MySQL service. Now checking MySQL status is working fine. Now step 2, configure database. You can replace your password from Zabbix@123. Now I am login my MySQL terminal. Default password is blank. This is authentication string change. For root password reset, and use MySQL, and then update native password is the root, and then all command just one click. Zabbix create user, grant privilege, and set global creators 1 plus privilege, and then exit from MySQL terminal. And step 3, import default database from this location, and this is Zabbix user and Zabbix DB, and then type Zabbix user password. This is this is for Zabbix user password. This is Zabbix default password. Import into your default database. It will take up to 1 to 5 minutes. Then you can see successfully imported, done. Then I am going to next step, set global function creator 0 and Zabbix database info input into Zabbix server conf file from location etc zabbix server.conf zabbix_server.conf. This is the database name, database user, database password, and then skip this step. This is for Nginx configuration, so not needed now. And then step 6, restart all, enable all services like Zabbix server, Zabbix agent, Apache, and then enable Zabbix service, Apache, Zabbix agent, and then you can check your Apache default configuration file from this location etc Apache site enable 00 default conf. Document root must be USR share, and then access your server IP address and complete web installation process, like type your server IP address /zabbix and setup.conf, and then input your Zabbix user information data, and then you can log in using default admin user and password. IC is imported, is running Zabbix database. Default database imported, done. Now going to MySQL terminal, and I am already set up MySQL root password. This is my MySQL root password, and then set global lock function create 0, and then adding database info into this file Zabbix DB. Scroll down, Zabbix DB. This is Zabbix DB. And then Zabbix user, and Zabbix database password. This is Zabbix password, and then remove hash mark, and then save and exit. and restart your all services, and then enable all service package. Just I see access this page. Yes, installation is coming. If installation page is not coming, so you can use this option for default page, document root, user share, and next step all is green mark and status is okay. Now Zabbix user and Zabbix password is Zabbix at the rate 150. Next step, you can input Zabbix server name. Now I just next step, congratulations, you have successfully installed Zabbix frontend. Finish. That's fine. Now login using username is admin and password is Zabbix default. Successfully installation done. Zabbix server is running. Yes. This is green mark. Zabbix server data collection host is a green mark. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.